Hi, I have 3 different door hangers here, and these are like over the door, good for hanging towels, that sort of thing. And I really needed to increase my storage in my very small condo, and this is one way that I'm doing that. And so I bought a few different kinds and thought I would help you make a decision about what one is best for you. So let's take a look at them. First, I have this one right here, right? So we've got the kind of triple hook with here, here, and here, and you have 5 of those. So you have a total technically of like 15 hooks if you were using like all 3 on each prong. And feels really well made, sturdy. And then it only takes 1 screw here and here. I will say all 3 of these come with a screwdriver. Each of them comes with 2 extra screws. They all come with felt pads to help protect your door. And this one and the other one that kind of looks similar to it, these 2, I think they're made by the same company. They also come with these sticky pads that I think help to, help it stay in place against the door. I really appreciate that all of them come with felt pads. That's really helpful. So this is the second one from the same company. And so it's really similar, except that instead of 5 total hooks, it's got 6, and then it has 2, whereas the other one had 5, and then there were 3 hooks on each, so 15. This one has 6 with 2, so a total of 12 places that you can hang something, just the lower and then the upper directly above. Then we have, and this one, exact same as the other one as far as like how to put it together. And like I said, same company, so they both feel really similar, like in the way that they're made. But I guess one difference is that on the back side of this one, with the 2 hooks, the way that they have that like clipped in there is a little bit different, whereas on the other one, it has screws in the back of each of these, but that comes put together, so you don't have to screw those in yourself. This one, a little bit more unique maybe, comes with 2 rows, and I kind of like that they alternate in placement. So like if you had a towel hanging on each one, that's kind of helpful. A little bit more time to put together. I mean, all of these are really easy to put together, but just because you have to do a total of 6 screws instead of 2 like the other ones have. This one is also maybe not as like thick when it comes to the bar like that goes up over the door. And I actually kind of like that this is narrow, because from the other side where you see it come over, it's not as much of a like standout or distraction, that sort of thing. And maybe slightly a little more heavy duty or firm than the other 2, but all 3 of these seem really well made. They all get the job done of hanging things, and I'm going to use all of them in my house. I just thought this might be helpful as you're making a decision, so that you kind of see what each of them look like and how you put them together. Anyway, hope this was helpful for you, and have an awesome day.